How to create 0.5 TikTok video. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you create or record 0.5 TikTok video. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application TikTok with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the plus icon just at the bottom. So simply you have to tap on it. Alright, so from this section, you'll be able to record your video. So from here, you'll have to swipe left and go with the option record video. Alright, so from the record section, make sure that your device has supported the 0.5 features on your device. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just drag it from your two finger, and from there you can easily do your 0.5 mode on your device. So in this way you can drag inward by using your two fingers. So from that option you will be able to turn on the 0.5 mode on your device. So make sure that your device will support 0.5. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.